Do not be sorry. Be better.
We are not supposed to cuss.
Boy, this is WAN 2.5. Everything here is uncensored.
Yes, the AI that was used to generate these clips is uncensored. You can generate anything you want. Yes, anything you want. I already tried it, and it's true. This a brand new AI model. You can generate unlimited generations for free, and it is far more better than VO3 or even Midjourney. All of the video clips you're watching right now were generated from Higgsfield video generation platform using WAN 2.5. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms, and WAN 2.5 is built for creators. It packs everything in one tool. Talking videos, photo animation, product ads, and even eye-catching VFX you can freely use for your video productions. The audio sync nails lip sync, voiceovers, and music in a single pass. No manual edits needed.
Man, right now, all I need is Jack and Sydney Sweeney.
And it doesn't stop there. WAN 2.5 delivers crisp HD videos up to 1080p, generate up to 10-second long videos, and supports 3 aspect ratios made for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. Higgsfield is not limited to just video generation. Platform offers image generation, image editing, video editing, lip sync, and load of other features which are also uncensored. They offer access to every major generative models. In this video, I'm only focusing on WAN 2.5 because the results are just beyond amazing. Let me show you how I created that intro video. As any good video generation model would, WAN 2.5 also supports image input. Selecting an image is optional, but it will help the model to give your desired output easily. I'm editing this image to get a 1080p resolution. Now that your image is ready, next thing you have to do is giving a prompt to the model to work with. Kratos, while holding Atreus' face, advises him in a deep, very serious, slow voice. Use original Kratos voice. Boy, do not be sorry. Be f***ing better. If you know what you're doing, turn off Enhance mode. But if you are unsure about the prompt, turn on Enhance mode. It will enhance your prompt for an optimal outcome. After that, as I mentioned earlier, you can switch between models, but I'm going with WAN 2.5 Fast. While this model offers only 720p and 1080p resolutions, standard WAN 2.5 model offers 480p resolutions as well. I'm going to generate a 5-second long video in 1080p resolutions. Keep in mind that whatever aspect ratio of the image you selected will also apply to the video as well. Reason I selected this model was because this one is faster than the standard model, but the standard model is more precise and a little bit better, and if you just went with the unlimited mode, your generations would have been free of charge, but it is way slower. That is why I did not went with unlimited mode. In this way, you get a priority queue position, which will save you a lot of time. After the generation, you can have a quick look at the video right here. This is the one I got.
Boy, do not be sorry. Be better.
Excellent. If you're not satisfied with the generation, rewrite your prompt. Try using a better image and then rerun. Since I'm satisfied with this outcome, I'm going to generate my next video. Here is a tip if you think using different images might break your scenes. Just capture a screenshot from the end of the last video you generated, and use it as the image input for the next part. That way the end frame of the first clip will be the first frame of the second clip. For the second clip, this is the prompt I used. Atreus, with a curious expression, while looking at Kratos, tells, "But sir, we are not supposed to cuss. What is happening?" As Kratos gets ready to tell Atreus, in Kratos' face, a silent smile appears, as if he knows a secret that Atreus doesn't know. After that, same as before, tweak and generate. Let it cook. It will take some times. I've skipped that part to stop the video from getting too long. Here is the generated video.
We are not supposed to cuss.
Keep in mind that this is the first version generated for the relevant prompt. If we tweak it around and regenerated it, we surely will get an even better output. Anyway, you know how to do it. When you are generating, if you feel it can do better, be sure to try it. I'm keeping this version and moving on to the third clip. Like I said earlier, You can reduce scene breaks if you get the last frame of the last video. For the third clip, here is my prompt. Camera slowly turns to Kratos. Kratos stands with a serious expression, looking straight at the camera. He says in a deep voice, "Boy, this is WAN 2.5 from Higgsfield. Everything is uncensored." The camera slowly pulls back. Kratos' serious expression turns into an evil, deep laugh. No tweaks from me, just generate. As always, I skipped the boring part for you, and here is the final clip.
Boy, this is WAN 2.5 from Higgsfield. Everything is uncensored.
You might have noticed a sound difference between generated clips in the intro. Yes, I tweaked the sound a little bit using Audacity. Let me show you. First, extract the original audio from the generated clip using any tool. Many tools offer this feature for free. Next, open Audacity. It is a free and open source software you can use without any limitation. Import the extracted audio file to Audacity. Go to Effects, Pitch and Tempo in there, select Change Pitch from the menu, adjust the pitch level as to your like. Click Preview to listen to a sample.
This is WAN 2.5. Everything here is uncensored.
Fine-tune the pitch until you are satisfied.
This is WAN 2.5. Everything here is uncensored.
Then apply. After that, again in Effects, EQ and Filters, Graphic EQ. This is where the real magic happens. We are going to adjust these one by one and find out the best match. I know you might think that this will take forever.
This is WAN 2.5. Everything here is uncensored.
But after you get the hang of it and starts to understand the process, it will become easier. Listen to previews when you think you are close, and if you are not, try again.
This is WAN 2.5. Everything.
As you can see, I got it in like 3 tries.
Boy, this is WAN 2.5. Everything here is uncensored.
Tweak around if you think you need more fine-tuning. When you are finished, export the audio file. After that, process is simple. Take the both original video clip and the edited audio file. Combine them back into a single file. If you're doing it in a new project, mute the original clip and sync the edited voice to the timeline, then export the clip. You can try this amazing WAN 2.5 AI from Higgsfield for free. Link is in the description. Create Nonstop.
Checking, waiting on this drop like a storm in the sky. Now the new model's here and it's taking me high. I'm talking power in the lines, every word is a flame. Feeling turbocharged, can't hold back the game.